This is Florida Gulf Coast University.
Well, basically I'm teaching Drawing 1. I like to go about the principles of compositional climax from the Renaissance, dealing with overlapping, atmospheric perspective, chiaroscuro, linear perspective, and classic color theory, which deals with temperature color. They're using variations of counterforces and counterbalances to create pushing and pulling effects, contrasts and transitions, adding, subtracting, deliberate and spontaneous issues. The second assignment, they deal with doing a mass work. Now, this is in coordination with bark drawings and using the grid with, like Albert Dürer used to use. It gives them a chance to copy, get it associated with values of vertical and horizontal grids. And then they reconstruct the composition 12 or so times to give them the freedom of how it can be rearranged with textures and values and different shapes. The third project is dealing with atmospheric perspective and cross contours. They're getting a situation of change in planes, the nuances of atmosphere and how the object in space turns and creates a sense of depth. After that, they go into using pastels and grayscales to issue metallic objects and translucent objects. After that, they go into subtractive drawing, where they take the black paper, they blacken it with charcoal, and then they use only an eraser to subtract out to get the light tones. And then finally, they have their choices of doing principles that Empedocles produced, the love and strife concepts, which is air, earth, fire, and water. And they use that to depict the environmental situation we have in Southwest Florida. Everyone has their own interpretation of each of the projects, and it's very exciting to see the differences and variations. We put quite a bit of energy and engagement into the work, and I'm very happy to show the work to our campus.